One of the modes of transmission can be from the infected objects to the healthy individuals. So, how do these objects get infected? When they come in close contact with the individuals who are already infected, for instance, an infected individual has usually the symptoms of cough, sneezing, flu-like symptoms, and fever. These are the common symptoms that the infected individuals of the coronavirus has. When they cough and sneeze, and when they don't take the right precautions, they do not cover their mouth, they are not wearing the masks, and they're not wearing the gloves, they're not sanitizing their hands with a hand sanitizer, having the proper concentration of alcohol, then they can infect the surrounding objects as well in which they come in contact with. For instance, the normal daily routine objects that are lying around. And when the healthy individuals, they in turn touch these infected objects, and after touching these infected objects, they either scratch or they either touch their face or their nose. They can pass on the infections to themselves. So this is one of the modes of transmission, as even over here, the diagrammatic representation shows that this infected person has the coronavirus infection, and he or she coughs or sneezes and basically causes the droplets, the coronavirus infected droplets, to come in contact with the different objects that are surrounding him or her. He doesn't cover his mouth, he doesn't take the right precautions. And that is how the normal daily routine objects that are surrounding him, they get infected through this particular virus. Now, what basically happens after this particular infected and the contaminated objects are lying around? A normal healthy individual, even for instance, you can just have a look. It can be the normal surfaces, it can be a table, a book, normal objects, for instance, your phones, you can come in contact with them and they can get contaminated, and the infection can finally transfer to the normal healthy individuals. They get onto the hands of these healthy individuals, and when this healthy individual scratches himself or touches himself near the mouth, near the oral cavity, near the nostrils, this virus can then move on to, and the person can inhale this particular virus.